I'm joined now by longtime and respected Circuit Judge Mark Jones. He has been serving the people of the Florida Keys for the past 17 years. Now, during that 17-year run, he has handled some of the most high-profile criminal cases. Judge Jones will talk with us a little bit more about his re-election. It is a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Well, good morning, Jenna, and thank you for the invitation. I really appreciate the opportunity to join you this morning.
All right, Judge Jones, after 17 years on the bench, you want some more time on the bench.
Well, I'm up for re-election this year, and I'm certainly very desirous and anxious to have the opportunity to have another term in office. That's correct.
Judge Jones, looking back on your 17 years in office, what would you say you are most proud of?
Well, I've had a lot of different cases and opportunities in over 17 years on the circuit bench. But if I had to pick one particular thing, I would say the fact that I have continuously, since the time I started as judge, been the presiding drug court judge for adult drug court here in the Lower Keys Division of the 16th Circuit. And basically what that means is at least once a month I've had the opportunity to preside over court and to assist people with substance abuse problems who are in the criminal justice system recover, not only get out of the criminal justice system, but change their lives. And so that's been very gratifying and very satisfying, and very proud of the fact that I played a little bit of a part in many people's lives to move beyond the system and substance abuse and help them.
Judge Jones, why do you think it's important for people to re-elect you as judge instead of putting someone new on the bench?
I think first I would point to my experience. Over the course of 17 plus years, I've had the opportunity to handle every division in circuit court. It's not just criminal, it's civil, it's juvenile, delinquencies, dependency, it's family law, it's probate. Not only that, I've had the opportunity to be the chief judge of the 16th Circuit, and right now I'm serving as the administrative judge for the family division. So over that period of time, I've been exposed to many, many different problems, many, many different cases, many, many different situations, and I've learned a great deal. And I think on top of that, most importantly, I've done it with integrity. I've respected the people who come to court. I've been fair and I've been honest. So I think all those qualities are critical for the continuing strength of our justice system here in Monroe County.
What would you say differentiates you the most from your opponent, Donald Barrett?
Well, obviously, the first thing is the fact that I've had 17 plus years of experience as a judge, which makes me the most experienced circuit judge here in Monroe County actively on the bench. But it's not just that. It's the fact that I've been a resident of the Keys for 34 years on a continuous basis. I've been a part of this community. I know this community. I know the people in the community. And I've been involved in the community. On top of that, I also believe my experience in the military as a Navy JAG station down here from 1980 through 1984 has also brought me valuable experience and also is a big asset when I'm on the bench as a judge. So those are three things that I would point to I think are quite differentiating.
It sounds like when you were talking with me earlier about your 17 years of experience, you're proud of all of the cases you've handled. You're proud of how you've been at the bench. Is there anything that you wish you could change from those years of experience?
You're right. I am very proud. First of all, I'm very honored and privileged to have been elected in '96 and to have been able to serve as a judge these many years. So I think the sense of privilege and honor is the most overwhelming emotions I feel, and certainly pride because I've worked very, very hard. I've done my very, very best. Like any human being, there's things that perhaps we regret, we would do differently, but quite frankly, at the moment, I can't think of any particular case or decision that I would have done differently at this particular time. But certainly I recognize very, very clearly my own humanity and flaws as a human being.
Is there anything else you would like to mention to our viewers this morning, Judge Jones?
Yes, I would. I really hope that the voters and the viewers take an opportunity to get involved in this process, to learn about the candidates, and ultimately I ask them humbly to vote for me. And so thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Well, thank you so much for being on the show with me today. And the election is approaching very quickly. Primaries will be taking place on August 26th. For more information on Judge Jones, you can check out his website. Also, check him out on Facebook. I'm going to take a quick break right now. I'll be right back after these messages.